Hi everyone, let's begin our new video. Let's make a sentence. I came to say sorry. Keep it up. I came to say sorry. Ho! I came to say sorry. I came to say sorry. You are learning perfect. C is a nurse. C, good job, is a nurse. Ho! C is a nurse. Perfect. C is a nurse. Good job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon. See you soon. Hooray! See you soon. Fantastic! See you soon. Every day is a chance to learn something new. I want that toy. I want that toy. Hooray! I want that toy. Outstanding! I want that toy. Every day is a chance to learn something new. We cannot go there. We can, good job, not go there. Hooray! We can not go there. We cannot go there. Learning is like magic. The more you learn, the more you get. They are asleep. They are asleep. Hooray! They are asleep. They are asleep. Good job. Thank you for watching this video.